Hello guys, we are back. The customer want to change the color of his frame. It's iPhone 11, so he need this color, and you can see it's completely damaged the body. So we are changing the parts from this phone to this phone. So we are going to show how we can change the parts. Yeah. First we need to turn it off the phone. We need to unscrew. And we are doing the video fast because we can't put long lengthy videos on YouTube, so we are making it small. A banjo. Yeah, so we need to change this part to here. We need to put here. Yeah, and LCD as well. So you can see it's black color, so we are making it purple. Yeah. So basically it's not an easy job as I am doing because of it's my profession. I had well experience in this, so don't try by yourself unless you are like an experience, or if you break these pins it's cost you more to fix it. This is the LCD, and now the main thing begins. So this part is main face ID and front camera. So you stick with glue. So don't touch this part while you are repairing. If you touch here, then your face ID will be gone. I will put this. We need to switch this board to here. So drink Red Bull, you will get more energy, so you can fix more fast. Will happen. Okay. No. If I've got the phone, he'll take it off now because he knows he saw it wasn't working. He said, okay, he'll take it off now. No, it's not the one you think. You know, there's not a lot of them there. But you don't know one. You need to remember the screws as well, because you can see they are different sizes, small, big. If you keep the big one in the small port, your board will be damaged. So be careful while removing the screws, everything. Yeah. There are so many connectors, it's take time. Be patient, do carefully. If you want to learn this course, you can come to AR Phone Shop, Wood Green, opposite to Halifax Bank, beside O2. Or if you want to fix any phone, any problem, just straight away come to AR Phone Shop. So it's take this much time to remove this board. This is the main part in your phone which runs your phone. Whole thing is the main motherboard. Because of this, you can call to someone, you can call, video call, anything using any kind of applications. Everything depends on the motherboard. So this thing,
So finally it's done. You can see it's working. Yeah, so we change the parts from here to here because the customer need the color this and the same phone, so we transfer the board parts, everything. For any kind of repairs you can visit AR phone shop, Wood Green, opposite to JD. And please like, follow and subscribe to see our more videos. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.